Hi friends, welcome back to the Healing Club. If you've ever made a mistake in your healing journey, went or tried something you thought would help your child, only to find it made things worse, this video is for you. I'm Lauren, a mom, researcher, and relentless seeker of root cause healing. This is part 2 of my story. The continuation of how I've been helping my son with healing autism. And today, I'm sharing what I wish I knew then and how a few wrong turns ended up leading me to the right path. After I saw the first changes in my son, I was relieved. He wasn't running out of the classroom anymore. A big success for us. So we made another big decision. We changed school districts for first grade. It gave him a fresh start. He was doing better, but then something changed. He stopped drinking the vitamin juice that had helped him so much. The good news? I had already taught him how to swallow pills. The bad news? I gave him the wrong ones. In my search for calming supplements, I found one that had gamma-aminobutyric acid in it. It said it would help calm him, and it did. He was calm, almost too calm, sleepy. But then came the anger, the aggression. I didn't understand at first. I trusted the label, but now I know better. Gamma-aminobutyric acid can act similarly to benzodiazepines. These artificially enhance your brain's calming system, but over time, your brain adapts, and not in a good way. That adaptation can lead to more anxiety, dependence, even emotional crashes. It made sense why he got angry after it wore off, so I stopped the gamma-aminobutyric acid calming supplement. Instead, I gave him magnesium citrate and vitamin C. The change was almost immediate. He felt better and he wasn't as angry anymore, but I still wanted to know what helps the body make GABA naturally. That's when I discovered Calcium D-Glucarate. It's a powerful detox support. Found naturally in fruits and vegetables, this compound helps your liver and nervous system calm down and cleanse. It's not to be confused with glutamic acid, a totally different substance. So before school, I gave him magnesium citrate, vitamin C, calcium D-glucarate. And just like that, first grade became a success. He wasn't perfect, but he could function. No more outbursts. He had a life again. And so did I. Still, something wasn't fully resolved. He was doing better, but I knew something deeper was still going on, and years later, I discovered what it was: parasites. Looking back now, I wish I had kept giving him the homeopathic remedy Sina, which interestingly enough is made from wormwood, a powerful anti-parasite herb. I also wish I had known about Parentel, a gentle vanilla-flavored dewormer made for kids. It's safe and effective. Had I used that consistently for 18 months, I think the core issue could have been addressed much sooner. But life has a way of unfolding at the right time. Every wrong supplement taught me something valuable. And eventually I found the ones that work. Not just for him, but for myself too. If I could go back, I would take a different path. But I wouldn't change the lessons, because each one brought me closer to the truth. And that truth is this: healing is possible, even when the world says otherwise. If this story resonates with you, please share it. And don't forget to subscribe to the Healing Club, where we believe in root cause and healing for real change. See you in the next video, friends.